folks. Today I wanted to take a look at an add-on called Equatio, and I'll try to give you a demonstration of what I'm doing on my cell phone when the time comes. But here you'll see that I'm in a Google Doc, and I've also added an extension that's called Equatio. And to do that, simply go to the Chrome browser, type in Web Store, and inside the Chrome Web Store, you'll want to type in Equatio, and actually it's right there. All right, and then you'll want to hit just like this one, plus add to Chrome, and you'll see that I've already installed it. But once you've installed it, all right, in a Google Doc, when you click on the extension, it opens up this menu bar at the bottom. Now, you'll need to click on this part down in the left-hand corner, and when it opens up, you can fill out the form there so that you get the premium features. And so some of the things that I'll show you today are the premium features which are available to all teachers. Okay, so and it takes 24 hours before you get the premium features. Okay, so here's the awesome part. Let's cut right to the chase. Using this equation editor, all right, and I'm not too sure if I can actually move this over. Oh, look at that. Here I can start to type, just like any equation editor, 3x squared, and can put in fractions. So divided by 2 equals 7. And when you're ready, you insert the math. All right, and you notice it insert. And if you've made a mistake, it's very easy to edit the math. You know, maybe it was supposed to have been 8, not 7. And then you reinsert the math, and it makes those changes. Okay, so far it looks like just your average equation editor. It does have some prediction tools. So if you type in square root, right, and as you start to type it, right, it thinks about what you want. So here are your standard brackets, exponents. Okay, nothing too awesome. There's some additional symbols. Here's some additional functions and some Greek letters. Okay, so here's the awesome part. Now I'm going to just type in y equals 3x plus 5. And again, I'm going to insert this math. And you'll see there it is. That same equation, what I can do is I can insert the graph with one click. Notice that it activates Desmos. And here's a full Desmos graphing calculator. All right, so if you wanted, just like your sliders, y equals ax plus b, all sliders, you now have full access to Desmos inside this app. And again, you can insert the graph. Give it a couple of seconds. And there's your graph. All right, something else that's pretty cool is handwriting. And okay, and I can insert that as well. I can also do multiple lines when I'm handwriting. All right, so just to kind of see what we have here, I've kind of mucked it up a little bit, but all right, see how you can put in multiple lines. And again, this is what I had before, but all right, something else that's pretty cool about this this extension is that I can speak and it'll put it in. So here we go. 3x squared plus 7x plus 10 equals 25. And I notice that it did a times and not an x, so you can make some changes and insert. And here it comes. And so very quickly, I just used the voice and it put in. Here's an awesome part, right? And this is where I'll make this a little bit larger. Allows you to use your cell phone. So I went to this button right here, and it tells you to click on this link, and you can download the app. So I did that on my phone, and now that I've downloaded it, all right, so just a Android phone, and not too sure if it's easy for you to see, but there's the app. When I click on the app, it recognizes that I have a document already open, right? So you'll notice here the name was Equatio and the name of the document is Equatio. So when I click on this here, you'll notice you get some very similar icons at the bottom. So handwriting, I can also write these in, and I get quite amount of space for me to write this on. So 3x equals 6, x equals 2. Just using my finger, I know it looks backwards to you. And then the very top one says save as text. So when it says save as math. When I click on it, it converts it into text. And then I click on the insert button. And there we go, it insert. Oh, there it is right there. I know it's the same thing, but it just insert that. All right, I'm gonna go down. Again, the voice one on my phone, 3x squared plus 7x plus 10. All right, so again, check, convert to math, and insert. There we go. And you'll see that it's live and it links very quickly. And once again, it looks like it made that same mistake. So I can edit the math. I can change that time to an X, and then I can reinsert. So very easy to change any mistakes if it doesn't hear exactly. But here's even the most awesome part. So let's just say that you have a solution on a piece of paper. Using my phone, I'm going to click on the picture. It then says take a picture of the math. So I'm going to go over top, take a picture. I can select where that picture is. I select the check, save to math. It converted it. I then insert, and here it comes. And there's multi-lines of text. All right, so you can see that there's multi-lines of mathematics in that solution. And I'm going to do one more example. It also does science equations. So 2H2 plus O2 goes to, there's an arrow, 2H2O. So again, using my phone. Okay, going to go to picture mode. And I'm going to take a picture. All right, so I'm just adjusting where that picture is on the screen. Once I've highlighted the equation, check mark, save as math, it converts that, subscripts and arrow included, one click, here it comes right into the document. Yeah, it's pretty impressive. So I hope you're impressed. I don't want to take up too much time. I'd love to spend more time talking to you about it. Feel free to book an appointment, and I can demo this whatever you want, whatever you need. Okay, there's some other features here, the latex editor, but that's about it for now. Okay, thanks.